and reward means what? Prize. Okay, and he would give, see, he would give a great reward. He would give a great reward. Okay, WH question to get the underlined word as answer. A great reward, underlined word. Now, prepare WH question. What would he give? What would he give? Okay. Now, second para. After hearing king's proclamation, many learned people came to the court. Okay, learn means scholar. Many scholar came to the court, but they all gave different answers. Everyone gave different answers. Okay, see, many learned people came to the court, but they all gave different answers. Actually, different verb form differ. Okay. See, many learned people came to the court, but they all gave different answers. Tense. Identify the tense. Which tense? Simple past tense. Okay. In reply to the first question. Which question? What was the right time for every action? Okay. First question. How they answer? See. Some said that to know the right time for every action, one must draw up in advance a table of days. One must means that manage timetable. Okay, they make a timetable, days, months, years, whatever it is at all, they make one timetable. Okay, they make a diagram. According to that, they spend their time, perfect time. Which one? Perfect time, correct time, that all. Okay, one must live, see, draw up in advance a timetable of days, months and years, and must live strictly according to it and strictly followed that timetable. Okay, table of days, months and years, and must live strictly according to it. Who answered? Some said. Okay, some said like that. Some answered. Okay, king's first question, few answers. Okay, like that. And others declared means said that it was impossible to decide beforehand the right time for every action. Few said it was impossible to decide beforehand. Beforehand means what? Before an action or event. Beforehand means before an action or event. It was impossible to said which one right time for every action. Okay, few said. But that not letting oneself be observed in idle pastime. Few said idle pastime means idle means actually lazy. Okay, simply passing their time, that time pass that. Okay, one should always attend to all that was going on. One should always attend to all that was going on means they listen whatever it is, observe whatever going on. Okay, that, and then do that was most essential. After that you do which one most important, that. Okay, most essential, which one most important work, that they start doing. Okay, that work. Okay, yet others said that it was impossible for one man to decide correctly the right time. You said it was impossible to one man to say which one correct time. Okay, decide correctly the right time for every action. It was not possible. Okay, for one man to decide correctly the right time of every action, and that the king should now, instead of that asking all learned scholars, the king should instead have a council of wise people. He called the council of who? Wise people. Actually, member of council, councillors. They king want to call the council. He asked councillors. Okay, council of wise people. Actually, councillor means member of council. Okay, councillors. He ask the what? Ask whom? Wise people. Okay, have a council of wise people who would help him to fix the proper time for everything. At last, few advised king. King should instead have a council of wise people who would help him to fix the proper time for everything. Now see, here one question given. What is the right time according to you? According to me, the right time is the present. Yesterday cannot come back. Tomorrow cannot be predicted. So, the only right time today, that is present. Okay. And here one more question given. What final suggestion did the last group of learned men offer regarding the best time? Actually, here see. Okay. First, see the question. The last group of learned men, after that, said that, see here, okay, said that it was impossible for one man to decide correctly the right time for every action, and that the king should instead have a council of wise people who would help him to fix the proper time for everything, till everything answer. Okay, first see the questions. The last group of learned men, after that, said that, okay, said that it was impossible, that this question's answer. Now see third para. Equally varied were the answers to the second question. Now second question, which was second question? Who were the most important people? Second question, King, second question. Which? Who were the most important people? Equally varied. Varied means different. Were the answers to the second question. Some said, few said, the people the king most needed. The people king most needed were the counselors. Few said who? King most needed council, wise group of wise men, the counselors. Okay, member of a council. They were the what? What? Most important people. And others said priest, one who performing puja, all that. Okay, priest. Others said who? Priest. And others the doctor. Few said doctor. Doctor is the most important person. Okay, important people. Who said others? Okay, few said counselors and few said priest, one who performing puja, that. Others said doctors, and while some said the warriors. Warriors means soldiers. Okay, were the most necessary. They all second questions answer. Few said who? Few said counselors, and few others said priest. Few said doctors, and some said warriors, soldiers. Okay, were the most necessary. Now see page number 53. To the third question. Which one third question? What was the most important what thing to do? Means occupation. Okay, that third question. The third question about what was the most important occupation, profession, most important job, most important occupation, profession, that. Okay, that third question. Some replied, few replied that the most important thing in the world was science. Few said science, best science. Okay, that most important occupation in the world was science. Others said it was skill in warfare. Skill in warfare. Okay, who said? Others said skill in warfare means that army, navy, air force, that all. Okay, warfare. And others again that it was religious worship. Few said religious worship, performing puja, all that. Okay, that also important occupation. The king was convinced by none of these answers. Now king was not satisfied their answer. Okay, the king was convinced by none of these answers and gave the reward to none. Not given any reward. Why? Why? Not given any reward. The king did not reward anyone. Why? He was not convinced with the answers given by the learned people. That's why king was not given any reward. Okay, any prize to anyone. Okay, no one will give perfect answer. Okay, so king what? Not given reward. Okay, to none. Thank you.